Hello and welcome back to Putting Tech to the Test, brought to you by Sencommunications. I'm McKenna and today we are checking out something super sleek and functional. This is the Satechi Stand Hub for Mac Mini with NVMe SSD Enclosure. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. We post new tech unboxings all the time, and then give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Jumping right in. Oops, looks like I ripped the box a little. This thing really does not want to open. Okay, here we go. It's a little ripped, that's okay. Okay, so right when you take it out of the box, you have your stand here. As you can tell, very slim and modern. I absolutely love how unobtrusive this is. It's also really nice that it's the same color, but it gives you so many extra ports. You can also hide that cord away, which I love. And then you have your user manual, so very straightforward here. It also has a QR code on the bottom of the box that you can scan for installation instructions, which I love. It takes all of the guesswork out, so you know that this will connect seamlessly to your Mac Mini. Now, we don't actually have a Mac Mini to plug this into, but I had to show you because it is one of the easiest upgrades that you can use. The real standout feature is underneath the hub, there's a built-in NVMe SSD enclosure. So that means you can expand your Mac Mini storage with super fast speeds. So photographers, video editors, anybody working with large files will love this device. The stand is also a really solid aluminum, and like I said, it will match perfectly with your Mac Mini. I know this was a shorter video today, but this is seriously one of the easiest upgrades you can make to your setup. If you have any questions about it, definitely let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out when we put more tech to the test. See you next time. Bye.